Everybody. So lately, along with toys and books that I normally collect, I've been getting a lot of scrapbooking and art supply type stuff from thrift stores, which I find that if you're into scrapbooking or collaging or mixed media artwork or anything like that, Goodwill can be a really, really cheap source for stuff that you need. Like, for instance, all of this stuff, which this entire like stack of stuff I got for $2 at Goodwill, and it's just like all kinds of different kinds of scrapbooking paper and different kinds of designed paper. And I mean, you can see there was like just a ton of stuff. There's like a lot of this that's just brand new, never been used. So that stuff I'll definitely be able to use in all my collage artworks, and I thought that was a great deal. So if you guys are into that kind of stuff, make sure you check out Goodwill to see, what they have. And then I also found for 99 cents these sticker kits from, it looks like it was a bigger collage kit, but I did like the stickers on this. I thought they were pretty cool. I mean, the stickers themselves say, just wrapped up in your smile, memories together, happiness, just inspiring kind of stuff like that. And then it also comes with this cute little bee and flowers, little like stick-ons, which I'm definitely going to use in a collage. And then it comes also with these little tags here, which I'm not sure what I'll use those for, but I'm sure I can find some way to use them in a collage. But I just thought for 99 cents, that's a good deal. And I love the little bee and the flower motif thing. So that was a big part of why I got that. And then I got this, which is just a 99 cent, like a brand new stack of stationery like paper. And the reason I got this actually was because sometimes I send my ACEO art trading cards in like little cards, like what I'm going to show you next, the Disney cards. But sometimes I just fold up a sheet of good paper like this and send them in that, especially if I like sell them for really, really cheap. So that's kind of why I got that. And I like the design on it. It's from let's see, Art Notes of the Southwest. So I think it's actually from probably like a kind of reservation area or something like that, likely. So that was a pretty good deal. And then I got these note cards, which were 99 cents too. And let me see if I can get the box open. It's kind of hard when you only got one free hand. But these cards, I think they're really cute. They're just different kinds of Disney stuff. I mean, we got Lady and the Tramp, and then we have Beauty and the Beast, and Bambi, Mickey Mouse, and let's see if there's any others. Oh, Snow White, looks like. I think that's probably it, because I think there's 20, so I think there's like probably 4 or 5 of each design. But I just thought these were really a good deal. I mean, it was only 99 cents for all of them, and the envelopes, which are in the bottom, which you can't really see, but they're just plain envelopes. But like I said, a lot of times if I sell small artworks, I ship them in these to help keep them safe. So, and by the way, if you guys ever want to check out any of my artworks for sale, the link to my eBay is in the video descriptions for pretty much every video, I think. And so you can go check that out if you want. And also, if you guys are into art yourselves and making stuff, make sure you check out my current cat fan art contest running right now. The link will be in the description of the video to the video that talks about the rules and everything for the cat fan art contest. And the winner will get a special cat-themed little prize pack. So make sure you check it out. So far, I haven't been to the post office this week because it's really, really snowy outside, and I didn't want to go out in that. But I haven't gotten any entries yet, but it runs until the end of January, so there's still plenty of time. And even if I only get one entry, that person will win. So make sure you guys enter. And it doesn't matter what age you are. It doesn't matter, how good of an artist you are. Everybody has a shot. If you send your art, I'll share it on a video, and I will take into consideration your age and stuff like that if I know it, and I'll also share them on video and give people a chance to tell me which ones they like and stuff like that. So make sure you check that out, and I'll see y'all later. So bye.